Hi, this is Ann Louise. Today is March 27th, 2020, and we're going to play a song called The Entertainer. It's a very fun piece written by Scott Joplin. It's very famous. It got famous in the movie The Sting. And we're going to start with the introduction. Okay, the introduction sounds like this. Okay, so what we're going to do, the important thing is your fingering. Okay, so you're playing 4, 5, 3, 1, 4, 2. Okay, but you're going to do it up here. You're going to be up here. Okay, and the rhythm, I'm going to do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That's your introduction. Then we have the melody. The main theme sounds like this. And then that gets repeated. What's important here is when you do this little chromatic, that's chromatic because they're all next to each other. Your fingering is 1, 2, 1. Okay, and then you have to jump up to C. So that's a sixth. Okay, so let's try playing this. We're gonna go. And then I'm lifting my hand. And then you go back to the repeat. So on the music, you have this first ending, then you're going to go back to the beginning and repeat that whole first theme. Then there's a second part. So today all we're doing are these 2 pages, the first 2 pages of the song. Okay? A little faster. This part here, this is where you have to have your chords. At left hand, you're playing C, C, then a C7, that's E, B flat, C. Then you go to your F chord, and then F minor. And then you have to jump way back down here to G. And then we do what we call a walk up. And then you go back to the top of the tune, top of the, you're not going to play the introduction, you're going to play the melody again. You're going back to the del Cygne, and then you're going to go through the whole song and then play the second ending. Okay, that's it for today.